again. Been fighting ways to get away. To see you again. See you again. We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong, and I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
Hey, everybody, I'm the Sith Trader, coming at you with another New York live trading session. Remember, trading features and bullish risk is not suitable for everyone. Today's live stream is for educational purposes and is not trading advice. Looks like the market has the NGs have rallied back up into the anchor day session VWAP so far. Started to push above it a little bit here. That's our big mix this morning. Obviously came under pressure in the overnight session. Last night we grabbed a little on there on the opening range break fire. Let's back in the VWAP, the dot highs. Market traded higher to new high and into that R1 resistance for the day. Basically found resistance, fell back below the VWAP during the overnight and into London sessions, and has now been back up rather strongly this morning, back above that VWAP. So let's see, anchored VWAP for the air session so far is still below, so about 50% back on this range. Pretty wide opening range here for since the New York bell. But we'll see how this kind of plays out here in the near term. But looking like a rather bullish 15-minute opening candle so far.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. The birds have just begun. We will always
Trendline through highs of the day, and the overnight high from the London Open is now breaking. The kind of consolidation we had in burst lower in the pre-market has completely unwound. Effectively have some consolidation. Auction lower and a failed auction to remain there. So pushing back above this consolidated high around the 29,600 area is, in my opinion, a little bullish this morning. So I don't have signals from launch just yet, but certainly price action as of the last few minutes has me wanting to be a buyer in the near term. We'll see.
Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. Savannah, the beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a whirl. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Didn't even get to bronze. I said I'm moving too far. Get to bronze. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast. Didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't. Shining like it's neon. Rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy.
Yo, I was kind of unable to call this one out, but took a little bit of a scalp here. Or trying to for a little bit of the scalp here on this little breakout. Don't love that it kind of came back to Testament entry at all, but stops at break even nevertheless. Oh, they're gonna get paid. That's too bad. Okay, the realization I was watching this consolidation. It's gonna go here. Ha 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 ha, there it goes.
Didn't even get to bronze.
Oh, come on.
I said I'm moving too far. Get to bronze.
There, fun take today. Yeah, these are tough ones to be able to follow with me at all. Better lock in something on this one. I'm only looking for 20 points up. And there's the target. Well, beauty, that's not great trade to have been able to kind of call out in real time, but I will do the post-mortem on it. More or less, I just saw pretty strong consolidation here on the tick chart. I mean, I was trading a micro time frame. Oh, I should have held that for a lot more. That's okay. But we're going to get some other setups here now that we're really starting to break out at 15-minute opening range, which is really just a 15-minute camp straight up. Going to be really tough trading today. That was a little winner for me during the day session. I don't know if I'm going to be really keen on taking more. I might switch to micros just because this is a pretty quick market. And there's no price discovery right now. I was just a straight move up off the lows of the day. And I'm trading a 25 tick chart here because it's so fast, right? Crazy. It's just such a tip for speed and the Hideisha session. We're going to get some more trades going here today. So we're back up to all-time highs now. I mean, it more or less really is looking scalped into that. At this point, I'm pretty much going to just be sitting on my hands waiting for price action to set up into some kind of, market structure here. Because that's just 200 points straight up since the open. With no rhyme or reason. I mean, I know that there's geopolitics involved and all over here, but what can you do? We've got a Globex session tonight, but Globex open tonight to, worry about as well. But then I've got a little bit of micro market structure here. Let's see if this first bold LE gap off the highs down at 46 does a print. Actually, looking at a potential, maybe another setup here. Oh, that's a bad one. Should have been more patient here.
Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like
Odds are going to remain mixed for the rest of the morning session here, it looks like. I mean, this isn't going to really print any form of setup for me unless things dramatically change. I don't know if there's going to be another setup here to take this morning, so I might be shutting the stream down and just letting that be until tonight.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.
Yeah, unfortunately, this is just going straight up here, folks. I've got no interest in trading this. There's definitely going to be, I think, some, breakouts to the upside. Be careful, pushing it to all-time highs. It's only a half hour into the session, and the fact we just opened straight up at the 200-point range does not create any notion of me wanting to trade this. I do think we're going to probably try to take out those all-time highs throughout the day, but this isn't providing the type of setup, the signals, or what we're looking for. So maybe I'll come back this afternoon. Otherwise, we will see you all this evening for another Globex Open and a Forcesweep live trading session at 5 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. or 5 p.m. Central to 6 p.m. Eastern this evening at the Globex Open. Careful today, guys. 200 points straight up on the open, and that opening range does not give me a lot of confidence in terms of market structure and what's going on. But today, the odds are likely going to be mixed because of some of these things, so I am probably going to be sitting on my hands and watching here for the rest of the session. Good luck, everybody, and we'll be back with you tonight and as price action develops. Remember, trading futures involves risk and is not suitable for everyone. Everything you saw here today was just my opinion and not trading advice.